Photoshop has several tools that we can use to make different selections. Since making selections and isolating certain parts of a photo are things we will do quite often in our work, it's a good idea to know all the tools and know how to work with them to get better and faster results. Let's take a look at these tools. One of which is the lasso tool. It is depicted in Photoshop as a lasso. This tool makes selections of selected areas following the movement of your hand, and you must manually show it what to include or what to remove from your selections. Very often, this tool is used to complement another selection tool. One of the reasons for this is that it makes basic selections very easy, and it's more difficult to make it precise than other Photoshop selection tools. Just like the marquee tool we looked at earlier, lasso allows us to add or exclude parts of a photo. As with all tools, the options are located above the photo. There, you will find options for adding or removing. Note that if we have not selected an option to add or remove and decide to make a new selection, we will automatically remove the selected section. And if we want to add, we must select the appropriate option for that purpose. If you accidentally remove a selection, take a step back, Ctrl-Z. Once we've made the changes we want, we can then deselect the selection.